Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt creamy. First, selecting the right milk is crucial for a luxurious texture. Whole milk, with its higher fat content, naturally yields a richer and thicker yogurt. It is best to avoid ultra-pasteurized milk, as its processing can sometimes interfere with the starter culture's ability to properly ferment, leading to a less successful batch. Next, proper temperature control is key. Heat your milk to 180 degrees F or 82 degrees Celsius, which denatures the proteins and helps create a thicker yogurt. Then, it is essential to cool the milk down to 110 degrees F or 43 degrees Celsius before adding your starter culture. This specific temperature range ensures the beneficial bacteria can thrive without being killed. Now, let's talk about culturing. Always use a fresh and active starter culture. This is the living ingredient that transforms milk into yogurt. Incubate your mixture at a steady temperature between 100 and 115 degrees F or 38 to 46 degrees Celsius for 6 to 10 hours. A longer incubation period often results in a tangier flavor and a noticeably thicker, creamier consistency. Finally, for an even creamier texture, consider straining your yogurt through cheesecloth. This removes excess whey, resulting in a denser, Greek-style product. Another trick is to whisk in a few tablespoons of dry milk powder before heating. It boosts protein content, making your yogurt extra thick. Also, for a truly effortless clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.